Hello guys, this is Teacher Anne and today we'll be looking at rates. Before we proceed, kindly like, comment, share and subscribe. Please do not forget to subscribe and feel free to always share strands and substrands that you would like us to discuss together. Now, let us look at the meaning of rates. What is a rate? A rate is a quotient relationship between two quantities of different kinds. Now, what is a quotient? Let us look at the meaning of the word quotient. A quotient is that answer you get when you divide two numbers. Now, let us say that you take 20 divide by 5. What are you going to get? 4. 4 is referred to as the quotient. Now, we are being told it is the quotient relationship between two quantities of different kinds. So this means that we will be dividing two types of quantities. For example, in this first question that we'll be looking at, we have wages and hours. That brings us to the question that is asked. A laborer's wage is 240 shillings per 8-hour working day. 240 shillings per 8-hour working day. This means that in 8 hours, that laborer will be paid a total of 240 shillings. Now, the question is asking, what is the rate of payment per hour? The rate of payment per hour means that we're supposed to be finding the amount that the laborer is going to be paid if he or she works in 1 hour. So this is what we have. We have hours and wages. So in 8 hours, the laborer is going to be paid 240 shillings. Now we are being asked, how much will he be paid in 1 hour? What are you going to do? You're going to cross multiply so that you have 1 times 240 divided by 8. This means that you will be taking 240 divided by 8. So if you look at that, we are getting the quotient of 240 by 8. And what is the answer there? The answer there is 30. So what is the answer for the question? Remember, the question is asking, what is the rate of payment per hour? Therefore, the answer will be, the laborer is paid 30 shillings per hour. The laborer is paid 30 shillings per hour. And this is the rate that the question wants. Pause and look at the question and the solution so that you can understand it better before we go to the next example. Okay, question number 2. A typist can type 4,800 words in 1 hour. What is her rate of typing per minute? Now, please be careful of the units that we have been given here, the different types of values that we have been given here. We have words in 1 hour. What is her rate of typing per minute? So remember, before working this out, you have to convert this hour into minutes before you work anything out. Now let us convert that. We know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So 60 minutes is what we are going to be working with. This means that in 60 minutes, the typist will be writing 4,800 words. 4,800 words. So how many words will he or she be typing in 1 minute per minute? In 1 minute, how many words will be written? So you'll take 1 and then you cross multiply, so that you have 1 times 4,800 all over 60. This means that you will be dividing 4,800 divided by 60. We get the quotient for that. 0 will cancel 0, 6 will go there once, and 6 will go there how many times? 80 times. This means that in 1 minute, 80 words are being written. So what will be our answer? Our answer will be 80 words per minute. 80 words per minute. 80 words per minute is the rate. You can pause and look at the question and the solution. Make sure you understand. If you don't, let us look at the final example. A farmer harvested 200 bags of wheat from 2 hectares of his farm. How many bags of wheat would he harvest from 16 hectares if he maintained the same rate? Now we have bags of wheat and we have the area of the land in hectares. So in 2 hectares of land, the farmer will be harvesting 200 bags of wheat. We are being asked how many bags of wheat would he harvest from a 16 hectares of land. So what about a land with the area of 16 hectares? You will cross multiply to have 16 times 200 divided by 2. So you will ask yourself, what is 16 times 200? That is 3,200 divided by 2. So you're going to take 3,200 divided by 2. The quotient there is going to be the rate. So what is 3,200 divided by 2? That is going to be 1,600 or 1,600. 1,600 bags of wheat will be harvested from a 16 hectares of land. So you'll have 1,600 bags. 1,600 bags. That is the rate. So if you have any other questions on rates you would like us to discuss, please share them in the comment section. Have a lovely day or week or month.